What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be answering the question of, is dropshipping still worth it into 2024? In this video, we're going to cover a variety of different topics. We're going to talk about what dropshipping truly is. We're going to talk about the business model and delve a bit deeper into it. We're going to talk about the forms of dropshipping that you should definitely not do. I'm going to tell you the truth about dropshipping. Now, before I start the video, you're probably wondering, who is this guy? So let me preface. My name is Eamon, and over the past 3 months, I have gone on a very deep dive into dropshipping. Started dropshipping on the platform called TikTok Shop. It's a relatively new e-commerce platform, and I documented my whole journey. It was raw. It was uncut. It was from day 1 to day 30, where I tried to cover as many days as possible. And I showed you guys all the behind the scenes of a young entrepreneur starting from zero. Now, during this time, many people were able to follow my journey and see the growth that I was able to achieve. So then from there, I decided to give back with all the knowledge that I had acquired during my TikTok Shop journey. And it's a journey that I'm still going on right now. So over the course of the last few weeks, I have been dropping full courses and guides on TikTok Shop, not on my website, but all here on YouTube. These are high quality guides and courses that are worth that other gurus would sell you for thousands of dollars, but I want to give back this knowledge so you guys can also go on a journey similar to myself. With that being said, let's get right on into the video. So if you've stumbled upon this video, you're most likely searching something along the lines of best side hustles for 2024, and you came across dropshipping. Now, if you're completely new to dropshipping, I'm going to do a bit of a deep dive here and explain to you guys the concept or the idea of dropshipping from my perspective. I look at dropshipping as a business model, and from what I've seen, everyone dropships. Uber is dropshipping, Lyft is dropshipping, DoorDash is dropshipping. All these huge companies, Nike, Puma, Adidas, they all follow a similar model. Now, I want you guys to escape that old viewpoint of dropshipping as just selling cheap shit from China. It takes a long time to fulfill, or that's poor quality. Dropshipping is simply the business model of you being a strategist, you thinking as a CEO, you thinking as a finance guy, and allowing others to handle all of your fulfillment. So this is an example that I tell myself all the time, and I tell all my consultation clients. Think about dropshipping this way. Think of yourself as a CEO. Me and you, we're CEOs, we're business owners. We're not small business owners, we are CEOs. We are top of the line business people. Think of the Nike C-suite, for example. When all these top of the line people get together and discuss, what do they discuss? They discuss, oh, how are we going to ship these shoes? Oh, John, you're going to go downstairs and print the shipping labels and drop everything off at the post office? No, they don't talk about fulfillment at all. They talk about strategy, they talk about entering new markets, and they talk about entering profits. So that's how I want to approach my business and how you guys should approach the business of dropshipping. You are a strategist, you are a CEO, and you are allowing others to handle the business of fulfillment and getting the orders right to your customer's door. So when people think of dropshipping, forget the old idea of, oh, I'm going to find someone on AliExpress. No, we're going to sell high quality products, but simply we are not going to handle any of the fulfillment process. Now that we're thinking of dropshipping in this way, of course, it's still worth it to pursue dropshipping in 2024. As a matter of fact, dropshipping is still going to be a viable business model to follow in 2025, in 2030, in 2100, and I truly believe it's something that can never die. Now let's talk about one of the most beautiful parts about dropshipping that we all can take advantage of. And the reality is, dropshipping is not a business that requires a lot of money to start out with. It requires a pretty low initial investment because you don't have to get in a whole bunch of inventories. Now, before I go on into this point, let me clarify something. You should not start dropshipping with $80 in your bank account like a lot of these idiot gurus are going to tell you. Oh, this is a model you can start with $10. Watch me start dropshipping with $50. You should absolutely not do that. If this is your last $80, if this is your last $100 in your bank account, do not sit here and think you are going to start a dropshipping business, because that is going to be your downfall. Now, I said it is a low-cost business to start. But by low cost, I mean it's something that you should set $1,000 for, $2,000 for, $3,000 for, because let me tell you the reality that all of these gurus will not tell you. is that in order to be successful in dropshipping, you need to have money to test out a bunch of different products. You should definitely get these products shipped to your house so you can test the quality and you can test the fulfillment of them. And also keep in mind that when you dropship, you don't get paid right away for your sales, whether you're doing it on Shopify or whether you're doing it on TikTok Shop like I'm doing it. So this means that you need to have enough money saved up, enough liquidity for you to be able to fulfill everything without needing money right away from all of your sales. You're going to have accounts receivable, but you're not going to have cash in the bank. So all these gurus who are telling you, hey man, you can actually start dropshipping with $50. No, you cannot start dropshipping with $50 because it is highly unlikely that that first product that you buy is going to be a monumental success. Now, this is without even mentioning if you're going to have other people create content for you, if you're going to be using affiliates. Those are all other people that you have to pay up front. So although drop shipping is very viable to start with $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, it should not be the last little bit of money that you have in your bank account because it is something that requires a lot of testing and most of the time is not successful right away. With the previous point that I mentioned about the gurus giving you bad advice, let me talk about something else that you should definitely not do if you want to succeed in dropshipping in 2024, and that is sell low quality crap from China. Now, a lot of these gurus are going to show you themselves just scrolling on AliExpress or any one of these really low quality websites, find their random product and then say, oh, this is what I'm going to sell. They find a bunch of videos about the product that are already on TikTok. Then they just copy those same videos and repost them a whole bunch of times. That is a terrible way to go about the business of dropshipping because that is not going to be sustainable. Let's say you copy one of those videos, it goes viral, you get a whole bunch of orders, but fulfillment is poor and the product's quality is really bad because you haven't had the products come in, you haven't tested out samples and checked the quality of it. You are going to start out with a really bad foundation. We don't want to build our business foundation on sand. We want to build it on something solid like concrete. So when you go out there and you start dropshipping, like I previously mentioned, have $1,000, $2,000 and find products that you know you are going to be able to fulfill quickly, products that are going to be good quality, and products that aren't going to result in a whole bunch of returns. And how do you do this? By simply ordering samples ahead of time before you start selling something. Once you have a sample in hand, you can create as much content about this product as you want. You don't have to copy other people's content and you get to see, hey, is this a viable product for me to sell? Is this a product that I'm going to be able to sell for weeks, for months, and for years and make it a solid source of income? If not, you're going to fall down the rabbit hole of these gurus and these fake online sellers who are selling absolutely trash products. And then the product dies out in a couple of months and now you have to start from zero and chase the next viral product. Now you're probably wondering, okay, this guy told me dropshipping is still worth it in 2024, but he told me to not follow pretty much all the guides out there because all these other guys are telling you to buy cheap crap and sell it and just copy other people's content and to not order samples. So what is this guy's solution? Well, I'll tell you guys what I have experience with because I'm not one of these liars who is going to give you a whole bunch of, oh, these products are doing great right now, and then just let you go off on your own. I'm going to tell you exactly what I did and what I sold to actually have success. You can see the proof of this in all of my previous videos. Now, I like to think about this as the videos I mentioned previously, the people who tell you, hey, these are the best 10 dropshipping products to sell. You know that analogy of don't teach a man how to fish and you feed him for a lifetime, give a man a fish and you feed him for one night? They're not only giving you the fish, they're giving you someone else's fish that's already been caught. You need to learn how to fish and how to succeed on your own in dropshipping. The business model that I use is called print on demand. Now, my profits on print on demand have been very good compared to other typical dropshipping, right? My profits have been 50%. And I did a deep dive on this in my other videos where I show you guys how to set up everything. The print on demand is when you find designs, you can either have a designer make them for you, you want to go for something totally unique, or you can find designs on Etsy. Now, I'll get these designs, I'll put them on pieces of clothing on the website called Printify, which is a US-based drop shipping website. You can put designs on things like hoodies, crew necks, you can do things like custom license plates, you can do tapestry, anything you can think of that a print can go on, they can drop ship for you pretty much. All the warehouses are in the US. They have top tier customer service. By the way, before I continue, this is not sponsored by Printify. This is just what I use to drop ship this year and what's going to continuously have success in all the upcoming years. So they also have fast fulfillment times and the product's quality can be as high as you want it or as low as you want it. Now, how do you have success with print on demand? You find designs that are doing well on platforms like Etsy that are already getting sales and that have proof of concept. You buy those designs as PNGs from Etsy that cost $2 or $3. You put them on a Printify sample, you order it to your house, you create content with it, and then you sell it on a platform like TikTok Shop, or you can do it on your own Shopify site. I also had success doing this on my own Shopify site last year, so it is also something that I actually tried and I know can be successful. With that being said, guys, if you don't want to do the print on demand kind of thing and you want to sell a different sort of product, know that dropshipping is still a very viable business model to follow in 2024 up to 2,700, right? If you want to sell different products, you can simply find a third-party fulfillment. There's this other idea that I thought of the other day is if you get a product and you're able to fulfill it quickly, you can just get a storage unit, hire someone for $15 an hour, and then they can handle all the fulfillment for you. It really is that simple. Dropshipping is much more than just AliExpress and Alibaba and ship products. It is a great business model that is going to give you peace of mind knowing that you can just focus on increasing revenues and think of yourself and your business as an enterprise. Me and you watching this, we are CEOs, we are creators. In you, I believe in you, you're going to create something great. I hope you guys act after watching this video. I hope you don't just go and watch a whole bunch of other videos. I certainly hope you don't go and buy some bullshit course on dropshipping, because guess what? I never bought any courses. I never spent a penny on courses, but I was able to have success, and I have a bunch of free courses right here on YouTube that are of the highest quality. If you want a one-on-one consultation where I can answer your specific questions, talk about marketing strategy, give you recommendations on anything when it comes to e-commerce, you will find my Calendly link down below. With that being said, I wish you the best of luck.